All right, now we're going to be going over making extended text ads. And this is very helpful to get some of our best ads to be in rotation as well with the responsive search ads. They may not show as much, but I'll show you how to actually create them easily now that we have essentially all the copy made for our ad groups. So you go into the ad library template and you go to the ETA or extended text ads. You just copy this down. Then you go to your extended text ad area and you paste. Now you see the ad status, campaign, and everything. Now all you have to do is go into the RSA tab, go in here, and you want to grab, in this case, we have these two completed groups. So we're just going to paste these in here, paste. You just want to grab the proper URL. Drag this down. Okay. And now we have our headlines and our descriptions. So all we have to do now next, go to RSA. So our headline one can just be this one, just like the question that's immediately answering. Oops. And this kind of just gives an idea. This is a little mismatched because of uh, the way this is being filtered. So let's see if I can actually, oops, I'll unhide this and just remove these for learning purposes. For boys. Yeah, but essentially you're just pasting the headlines in here. And headline two, I typically like to put as an offer. So if you go to RSA tab here, request more information. And if they have a more enticing offer, like 50% off, that's what you'd want to put in the extended text ad, because this is the first headline that always shows up. So you want to address their search term, and then you want to just give them an offer. They can't refuse more information. It's a whatever offer, but that's what we have. And the third headline can usually be something for branding because it doesn't always show up. Um, Kids have fun and see results. That's one of their main call to branding terms. That's there. And then we have two descriptions here, which is great because we have made four. So you can try any of the four that you really think could work well. In this case, I'll just use one and two. Yeah. So we have that. Description one and description two. So those are the descriptions and then the paths that we already created. And the last lesson, we just go over here and just grab them, scrap these. Info. You go here and paste. And that's that. So now that you have these extended text ads, we're going to go over call only ads next.